Hello guys, so this is inspired by creation. Today I've decided to make a video about the DJI Mic 3, which is the latest mic. This is a bit cheaper because it's just a transmitter, one transmitter. The price is a bit different with the full pack, which contains everything including the receiver. So this one doesn't have the receiver. 21 shillings 21,000, sorry. It cost me 21,000 and I purchased it via online shop, which is Temu. Temu is South African online shop. They ship these things from South Africa and from China, sorry, and they deliver them to South Africa. It took me about 3 weeks for me to receive this mic, and I can't complain. This mic really does good when it comes to the sound quality. So this is what it comes with. It comes with the pouch itself and magnetic charging cable, 2 windscreen which is black and gray, magnetic clip, and magnet, and transmitter, which is the one you use for recording. It's only one because this one is a low budget one, and it does not come with a receiver. So why did I decide to go for this? It's because of the price. It's a little bit lower than the old pack, which can go up to 54,000 shillings, which is very expensive, and I just needed something simple for my recordings. Another thing is that it has a built-in recording. The mic has 32 GB of internal storage, and it's capable of recording hours of 32-bit float. So you don't need a receiver if you have this mic. So this mic is good, and I'll be using it for my videos, as I'm also preparing myself to get the better camera, because I've been using my phone. Charging it doesn't take long, and the battery also survive for a longer time, and I am just recommending this for you thing to use for the video quality. Please, you can try this. You don't need to buy the most expensive one, like the one which is having the full pack, the receiver, the 2 transmitters, and all those things. So you have to only buy this. And another thing, you can try using the DJI Mic app. This app really does good things to you. It helps you to edit the audio, and it also helps you to do some settings. Now, because we don't have the receiver, you can just use the app. So this is the end of the video. I would like you to comment what you think about this mic and why you should not buy it or why you should buy it. See you in the next video. Thank you.